Hi children, welcome to lesson 14 of my ladder letters in my Learning to Write series. Now there's only one more ladder letter after this one today. The one we're going to do today is J, J, J. It starts off just like a letter I. Okay, now it is a long one, but it's not tall. It's going to go under the line. So we're going to have the paper this way. Let me show you. So imagine if the line is across here. You're going to start like you're doing I. So up we go. Then you're going to go down, but this time you're going to carry on going down, 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 down. Then you're going to give it a big long monkey tail. Do you remember like when we did our gut, gut, gut in our curly caterpillar letters? Here we go. And then we're going to loop that tail back up again, pen off, and just like with an I, we pop that dot right on the top. Let's try that with our magic pencil, shall we? Okay, get your magic pencil, sharpen up. Remember, you can practice this wherever you are. Here we go. Up, 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 just like with an I. But then down, 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 all the way under the line. Give it a big monkey tail and then loop it all the way back up again. Take your pen off. There's not many letters where you take your pen off. Pop that dot right on the top. Okay, let's try that one again, shall we? So we start like an I. Up, 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 up. This time down, 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 down. It's going to go all the way under the line. It's got a long hanging monkey tail. Round. And then we're going to loop it back up again. And then we'll take our pen off the page and pop a dot on the top. We'll do it one more time, shall we? Up we go like an I, but then down, 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 all the way down. Give it a long monkey tail, loop it round, and then back up again, pen off the page, dot on the top. Brilliant, let's go and practice that on some paper. So here we go with our ladder letters. Now we're going to practice the J, 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 which we've practiced with our magic pencils. Now a J starts a bit like an I, and it is a short letter. Let's just remind ourselves of a big tall L. There we go. And then let's remind ourselves of an I. There you go, that's a shorter one. The T is tall as well. The J is going to be the same size as the I. So we're going to go up, down, but this time we're going to carry on under the line. Under we go. And remember that big monkey tail we put on a G earlier? Flick it under and then flick it up like that. And then we pop a dot on the top just like we did with the I. Let's try that again. So we start on the line as usual. Up we go. Now we're going to go down, 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 down underneath. Put that long tail on it. Flick it under and then bring it up to cross over the line and pop a dot on the top. Well done. Let's try another one. Up we go. Down, 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 under the line like the letter G that we've done before. And then pop your dot on the top, just like we do with the letter I. Down, 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 down. If you're nervous about this letter, and it does look a little bit strange at first, get your grown up to do it in a lighter colour. And then you choose a darker colour and go on top of their letter, and that will help you remember what to do. Dot on the top. We don't want a big circle here, we just want a little dot. Remember that you're going straight, straight, straight. Some children come down and then wobble out, but you need to go down to the bottom and then flick the tail under. And the only way to help you remember that journey is just to keep practicing. So you're going to choose your different colours and you're going to have a little practice of your journey. Whatever colour you fancy, dot on the top. So your pen stays on the page for the whole journey until you need to put your little dot there, okay? And the practice is just helping your brain and your hand remember the journey that you have to take. It doesn't matter if it doesn't end up looking perfect. If you've got a little tiny loop there, maybe it doesn't look as big as my one. Maybe your loop is a thin loop, okay? As long as it's, or maybe you've got a really big roundy loop, okay? As long as it's basically the same as the one I've done and you have a little dot, not a big round shape at the top. Okay, change your colours if you want to make it more interesting. Let's go for a pink one, shall we? And then when you've had lots of practice on paper, you've practiced them on lines, you've practiced them underneath, then we're going to find a more interesting way to practice. Off we go. Well done for practicing your letter J. We're going to practice it and we're going to use our plate that isn't white, and we're going to need some sugar in a bowl. Let me show you how to do that. All right, to practice our J, we have some sugar. And we've done it like this before, we're just going to sprinkle it onto our plate, which is why the plate needs to not be white or it won't show. And then you're just going to use your finger, which is so easy, to draw your J in the sugar. So here we go. Going to start, imagine the line is halfway up here. Up we go. And then we need to leave room to go down, 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 and have that long tail. Bring it back up again. And then you're going to put your little dot at the top. Okay, give it a little shake. Let's try again. Up we go. Down, 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 down. Flick it underneath. Bring it back up and put your dot on the top. Should we do one more? This is an easy way, isn't it? Up we go. Down, 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 down. Loop it back up and put your dot on the top. Everybody has sugar at home, I'm sure. Have a little practice, and well done. You've learnt to write your J.